Over the past few years, the New York City Department of Transportation and MTA have been hard at work improving our city's bus network. Their goal? To speed up service and make buses more reliable for New Yorkers. Some of these improvements include stop consolidation, frequency adjustments, and one of the most transformative changes, converting key bus corridors into busways. Busways like the 14th Street Busway in Manhattan and the Archer Avenue Busway in Queens have made a significant difference by boosting bus speeds and reliability. And the improvements don't stop there. The MTA and DOT have a long list of corridors slated for upgrades, but today we're focusing on one project in particular, the Ridgewood Busway. This project was first considered back in 2013 and involves transforming the street underneath the elevated M train in Queens into a dedicated busway. While part of the project would run along the existing roadway, there's an interesting component to this plan, building a brand new road between Seneca Avenue and Fresh Pond Road, using an existing right-of-way underneath the elevated. The MTA already owns this area, and since it's currently unused, the project should be much easier and more cost-effective to complete. After years of being on the back burner, the Ridgewood Busway is back in focus. It appeared in the MTA's 2023 20-year needs assessment and is also part of the MTA's 2025 to 2029 capital plan. This project is poised to make a big difference for routes like the B13 and Q58, the latter being the second busiest bus line in New York City. Taking a look at the customer journey time performance on the Q58 bus route, we can see that only 62% of trips were completed within 5 minutes of their scheduled time. That is unacceptable performance and could be attributed to the excessive traffic along the route, primarily in Ridgewood, where this busway would be installed. Busways, bus lanes, and transit priority are good ways to make a meaningful difference in service, and more of those projects would be welcome in this city as we strive to improving our bus service. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel below.